my loves, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing super well today. If this is your first time coming across my channel here on YouTube, I welcome you to my channel, and I will definitely invite you to please subscribe before you go and turn on the notification so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And I'm going to ask that you watch the videos to the end because I'm trying to shift my YouTube watch time hours, and I do appreciate it. Your help to do that is greatly appreciated, and I thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple makeup look for you guys. My makeup is always simple, and I'm going to be using this Nubian Royal palette from Juvia's place. You guys would have seen this in Monday's video, and these are the beautiful, gorgeous colors right here. And I'm going to tell you something. If I am going to be buying an eyeshadow palette, it has to be a small one. I feel like I don't need to have those big palettes with 20, 30 colors in it. It makes no sense. So something as simple as this with beautiful matte colors and some shimmers, and you have some transition in here, it's just super fine for me. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette, and I got this again from Juvia's place. And I use Fumi discount code to get my goodies, okay? Face is prepped, eyes already prepped. I use the Milani eyeshadow primer already on my eyes, and I've already prepped my face with the 03's Honey Secret Cover from Milani. The Shine Killer from NYX is on my base, okay? So we're just gonna get started. We are just gonna get started right now. So here we go. My palette fell and I lost the color. I'm so mad. Every time I'm filming something always falls off my desk. So I'm not going to be using this one today. I'm looking for a very soft transition color, and I'm going to be going in with the Velvet palette from Barry M, and we're just going to get started. Some of the clips you would see in this video will be fast forwarded. I may not be talking through this video, but we shall see how it goes. If you do have this palette, I'm going to be using Touch. I'm sure that's what it is. Yeah, Touch as a transition. So let's begin. I'm going to now take my Nubian Royal palette, and I'm going to be using this very soft, beautiful purple color in the corner. And we're just going to start to build. I am now going to take the deeper purple and put that in the corner. I'm going to take this EXI concealer, and I'm going to create a little cut piece. You guys know I'm not good at this, so don't judge me, okay? And I'm going to take this purple color to the end, which is the shimmer color, and that just goes on top. So I've got my lashes on. Okay, these are my own brand of lashes, and I went in with a blue eyeliner in the waterline, and I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty 400 foundation to complete this look. I'm just going to put some of it on the brush. So I'm going in with some concealer. This is the waterproof tattoo covering concealer from Essence. I really like this one because I love the blendability of this. It blends so nicely into my skin. So I'm just gonna put a little bit just under the eyes. I don't want too much of my face to be highlighted, just under the eyes. So I'm going to use this beauty blender from InStylish, and I'm going to be using the small side to blend this out. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Setting Powder. I love this powder. It sets so nicely. And I'm not going to let this bake. I'm just going to blend it in right away. I just put a little bit of it on my table. And I'm going to use the bigger side of this beauty blender to blend this in. Do you see how nicely this powder set this concealer? It is just so nice, and it sets pretty fast. And I'm not going to highlight any other part of my face, just under my eyes. So I'm now going to go in with my Morphe Filter Effects powder. This is in number 10. And I know exactly what you're thinking. You know, Odette, you need some things. You need some new things in your collection. No, I don't. I'm trying to pan as much things as possible. As you can see, this is getting close to pan, and I love this powder. So I do have my powder brush right here. And let's see how we can powder our face, shall we, guys? I love the way this is looking. What do you guys think? Really easy, really simple, no fuss to it. I am going to be using this blush that I got from Shein. I got two of them. This is like a peachy color. This is like a purpley color. The names of these will be left in the description box for you. And because I do have a purple thing happening on the eyes, I'm going to use this purple shade. I don't have my glasses on, so I cannot tell you the name of this one. It's to the bottom. I'm going to link that below for you. This is my Morphe E49 brush. This is a fantastic brush. Highly recommend for your collection. You can actually use this to set your powder, set your concealer, blend your concealer out. It is such a good one. But I'm just going to use it as my blush brush today. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my cheeks. What I love about this, I was about to say blush. What I love about this blush is that it's very, very subtle. You can hardly see it on my face. And you do have very soft, warm glitter things happening in it. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see that. But I'm just going to put a little bit of just on the cheekbones. Just to give me a little color. And that's all I need. I don't really need a lot of that. This is one of those blushes you can hardly see, and I really like that. So now let's go work on the lips, and then we're gonna finish up this look. I'm going in with my most beautiful lip balm ever. This one is called Mango from Juvia's Place. And I find these lip balms are very hydrating. It keeps your lips nice and soft. I've got two of them, Mango and Peppermint. They are really, really nice. So I'm now going in with my lip liner. This is called Chestnut from MAC. So this is the lip gloss from Juvia's Place. It's called So Glazed. And I'm going to put this right on top. Wow. And I love the dough for it. It is so thick. There we go. Look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. Very nice. And I'm just going to use my finger to just blend that in. That is very, very pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this lip gloss. Again, this is it right here. It's called So Glazed, and this is from Juvia's Place. And so we are going to set the face right now. This is the NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray. Okay guys, so we are finished with the makeup look. This is the finished look. Really easy, really simple. These are words you will always hear me use in my makeup videos because I really don't put a lot of things on my face to begin with. I really don't like to do that. And also, I am not good at doing cut creases. I make that known. I am not a professional at doing this. So I do the best I can with the cut crease. I am still trying to practice my art of doing cut creases, but it's not a deal breaker for me. Again, the palette is really nice from Juvia's Place, the Nubian Royal palette. Very, very, very pretty. Love that. And this is the lip gloss. It's called So Glazed. Again, from Juvia's Place. You would have seen this. in Monday's haul. This is such an easy look to create, so nice, so simple. I really wanted the eyes to make a little bit of a statement and keep the lips a little bit glossy and kind of a neutral. And that's it. And so everything that I used on my face is going to be listed below for you guys. I really like this this blush, and I got this blush from Shein, and it's called Jasmatic. It's going to be linked below for you guys. And what you see on my cheeks is something that's very, very subtle. And you have to come really close to me to see the highlight on my cheeks, and that's how I like it. But I think this is a really pretty look, and I really love the way this has turned out. And I do hope you guys enjoy watching this video today. Leave me your thoughts and your comments in the description box. And again, everything that I use on my face is going to be listed there for you guys. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your time to tune in today. Please watch the video to the end, and I thank you in advance. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching today. My name is Odette again. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Toodles!